I don't mind na kung if ever man isipin nilang gano'n. Kasi if ever man gano'n ako, what's the problem? So, if ever man na gano'n ako, anong problema? So, may issue ba tayo? Kung example na,
Yeah, talking on very important things and the way he's answering.
maging bakla ako or anything naman na matawag niya sa akin. Kasi pare-pares naman tayong tao, pare-pares tayong kumakain, pare-pares tayong
I love the way they're just not artists, the way they handle the situation, the way they answer. It's incredible.
So, I don't think meron kang kinalamang sa akin.
About shipping. Tapos nag-aaway-away sila just because boto sila sa ganitong ship, ganito din sila ship, tapos nag-aaway-away sila. Para sa okay if it's
for fun.
yeah, it's all
Yeah. Philip talking about shipping, and he's saying, it's okay if it's for fun.
right as long as parang katuwaan lang.
Katuwaan.
But to the point na mag-away-away na kayo just because of a petty thing na
Yeah, don't fight. Don't fight about these things, okay? It's a very important thing he's talking about. Wow.
but to the point na mag-away-away na kayo just because of a petty thing na ganyan. I think
Do it for fun. Just don't go serious about it, okay? That's what Philip is trying to say.
it's not okay. I think it's
Ang sasabihin ko po dyan, ito po, hindi, aaminin ko na sometimes nagkakaroon ako ng bad thoughts. Pero, to be honest,
When they talk about serious things, they really get serious, and the way they answer, as I said in this tells part as well, I love it. The way they answer.
binabalikan ko po before we became businessmen, we were friends.
Exactly. Before businessmen, they are friends. They are brothers.
We were friends. Yun yung iniisip ko.
Sarap doon.
Wala yan, ano yan kaibigan tayo. Pwede siya pag-usapan.